Scam School Remix. Here's a whole bunch of easy pencil gags with our friend Robert Strong.
I need to borrow a pencil.
Oh, if only somebody had a number two pencil.
What? This one is disgusting. Do not try this at home because we're a trained professional. It's really gross. Oh, you can inspect it. Oh, he's going to touch it. It's a trick pencil. It
How
shrinks.
do you do that?
Oh, it's an optical illusion. Yeah, it's an optical illusion at the rubber pencil from elementary school.
Whoa!
You need to get out more. And then here's a cool one, the levitating pencil.
What?
Last one, pencil through the hand. I'll make an imaginary X. On 3. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, crap, it's gone. So for this one, I got you guys pencils. What you want to do is you want to grab it with your pinching fingers. And the important thing is to make a fist with the other fingers and get them out of the way so that the audience can see the rest of the pencil. If you're right-handed, hold in your left hand.
Okay.
What you're going to do is you're going to take your other hand, you're going to slide it up the pencil to give the illusion going up the nose. But if you do it exactly like I did, it will fool no one. So the pencil actually has to disappear behind your wrist. So you rotate your hand 90 degrees and you go up, so it goes right behind your wrist. And so the illusion is, and notice I tip my head back because if you were to really shove a pencil in your nose, you wouldn't just stand there. You go.
So hiding the tip?
Yeah, you're hiding the ferrule and the eraser
part
on
of
there.
it?
Yeah, and only use this finger. Don't use your middle finger too.
The one other thing as well is you're going to want to angle it so that the words are inside towards you.
Yeah, because they don't see the words sliding up.
Oh, yeah, that would be bad.
And then making it come out of your mouth, you just grip it with your teeth, and it looks like this. I notice the sound. I mean, if a pencil goes up your nose, it makes some noise. Like that. And once you've got the basics down, it can be pencil in the ear, it can be pencil out the nose, it can be into the eyes, like ah! The next one is the shrinking pencil. It is an optical illusion. When you hand it left, right, left, right, left, right, and then you slow down, it appears to grow.
The one thing I know about this is that when you start it, you want to keep your fingertips out here, and you just grab it, and basically you want this
Left, right,
motion,
left, right, exactly.
and then you keep bringing your fingers in closer and closer and closer.
Another important detail, don't use a particularly sharp pencil or a pen that's open, and what you do is hand left, right, and you can see yourself. If you can see it, the audience can see it. And then it grows. My little tip at the end of this is when it grows, I get really big eyes like, whoa, that was cool. Next is the rubber pencil. The trick is to hold it gently, or not firmly, and off center. When you lift your hand up and down, you can see it looking like rubber. Then the next one was a levitating pencil. So I place it in my hand, I hold my own wrist, and the audience doesn't see the index finger coming up. And on this one, I'm on the fence about keeping a secret and moving on or exposing it. And sometimes I just feel like getting that aha moment so that you get 2 punches. There's 1 punch, 2 punches. And then pencil through the hand. Now for this one, it's all about the misdirection. I don't say it's the disappearing pencil trick. If you say that's a disappearing pencil trick, they see that. 1, 2, 3. It's gone. So that's just a matter of practicing sliding behind the pencil. That pencil has a balance point. You slide too far, it's going to tip back. Too little, it's going to tip forward. So just practice putting it there and leaving it there.
Steven, what I'm seeing you do is go 1, 2. Whenever I do this, I actually put it behind the ear every single time. I actually go 1, 2, and then it's easy to leave it on the third one.
2 points is people look where your eyes are, so I'm looking at the spot, I'm not following the pencil. So I put it behind the ear 1, put it behind the ear 2, put it behind the ear, leave it 3, gone. And then if I want to expose it, I just go, I can't hear you. And I point right at it.
Dude, that was fantastic.
The narcissist pencil trick.
Let's give it up for Robert Strong.
Never underestimate the value of doing a flurry of tricks instead of just one. You maximize your at-bats and have the chance to hit a home run. People will be mind blown. And by the way, yes, that was OMG Chad. Make sure to check out his channel and of course our buddy Robert Strong. Scam School Remix, what is it? Who knows? Nobody knows. It's provocative. Except it's actually the best of our 10 years and 500 plus episodes of Scam School. Each episode time compressed so that you learn in a fraction of time what it took us a decade to learn. Congratulations and you're welcome.